LightSpeed Spanish, this is for beginners, a podcast number 26.
Muy bien.
And today we're dealing with adverbs, los adverbios. Before we talk about them.
Hola, Gordon.
Hola, Cintia. ¿Cómo estás?
Estoy requete bien.
Me alegro mucho. Pues
¿Cómo estás
yo,
tú?
Bueno, ¿sabes? Fenomenal.
Sí.
La palabra fenomenal. Pues
sí,
10 veces.
Wow.
Eso,
Muy bien.
10 veces.
Muy bien.
Más.
Y sin café.
Sin café.
Wow.
Voy a tomar un café después, sí.
Después vas a estar 15 veces.
Sí. O 20. Vale. So, adverbs.
Mm-hmm.
Now, let's do this in stages, okay? Because, first of all, now about 75% of our students are from the United States, and one of the things about adverbs is that
Sorry, I'm laughing, but we've got...
I know there's a toy that is a
Sebastian's toy.
a cow that moos, and it just for no reason whatsoever just begins mooing.
That wasn't the cow, that was the donkey.
Was that the donkey? Was it? There you are.
Sí.
Yeah. Okay. So un burro.
El burro. Vale.
Okay. So adverbs. In the UK, adverbs are important. They have to be used. However, in the US, less, much less. However, in Spanish, we must know what they are and we must know how to use them. Okay, even though
We don't use them.
you don't use them as much as perhaps you should. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So, what is an adverb? An adverb in English, you can spot it. It's a word that has ly on the end. Okay. So let me give you some examples. Slowly, quickly, happily, sadly, things like that. Okay. Okay, nothing else is coming to mind at the moment. So how do you use them? You say, all right, the car is going quickly, or the man is working happily. Okay, so this is how an adverb is used. What is it? It's an adjective, which is a describing word, which converts in itself into an action word, a doing word, a verb, and that's why it's called an adverb. It's like a fusion of an adjective and a verb together. Okay, so in English it's ly. Okay, now before we go into the Spanish, we just want to make something clear about the way the rules in Spanish about adjectives. Okay, about the masculine feminine switch. Cynthia, do you want to talk about that a little bit?
Okay. Well, we've talked about these before. This is not new. It's just set to refresh. And now we've got the sheep.
Now the sheep's making a noise. Okay.
Sorry about that. So, right, you know that when we have a noun, the noun can be either feminine or masculine. It has a gender. Okay, and it can also be singular or plural as well. But focusing on masculine or feminine. You know that is if the noun is masculine, the adjective that matches the noun, that goes with the noun, has to match the noun. And if the noun is feminine, the adjective that goes with the noun has to match in gender the noun. So if we say,
for example, el edificio blanco, la casa blanca.
Exactamente.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we've got el edificio, which is masculine. Then any adjective has to match in gender, so and in number as well, of course. So el edificio blanco, la casa roja. Okay. Most adjectives can switch to feminine or masculine, but some of them don't. The ones that finish with E, most of the ones that finish with E can't change to feminine or masculine. They stay with the E. For example, grande. You don't say la casa granda, okay, or el coche grando. You say la casa grande. O la mujer inteligente, no inteligenta, okay. Why am I
Okay.
talking about adjectives? It's because when we use the adverbs, we're going to see this as well.
The same rule apply, yeah.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
Muy bien.
All right, so how you make an adverb in Spanish is easy. Basically, the word itself, whatever adjective you're using, first of all converts to feminine. It becomes feminine. Now, in its long sense, that sounds great. It has mente on the end. This is how you can spot an adverb. I don't even know what that means. I don't even know why I said it.
Oh, you've got to tell people what you said the other day to Sebastian. It doesn't have to do with these.
Okay.
But he said to Sebastian, be careful with your fingers or you're going to make yourself damage. That's what he said.
Okay.
He's spending too much time with me.
I said that in English, but of course it's
You said that in English.
hacerte daño in Spanish. It sounded perfect in English. You're going to make yourself damage.
And that's the problem when you learn another language. You end up ruining your own language because you translate in your head.
Yeah, I
Never
remember
mind.
somebody said to me, are you British because you talk weirdly?
Yeah, somebody has told that to me,
Yeah.
said that to me as well in Spain.
So you've got
Vale.
mente on the end, okay? So, for example, the word I'm trying to find a word that's got an O on the end. Yeah. So
It's
rápido,
O here.
rápido, is quick.
Sí.
To change that into quickly, first of all, it has to become rápida.
Yes.
Yeah.
You make it into feminine always.
Mhm. And then you stick mente on the end.
Exactly.
So it becomes rápidamente.
Mhm.
Yeah. Okay. And do we have another one? So
What you have to? Can I help you?
claro,
Claro.
clear, clearly. So it becomes clara,
Mhm.
and then with a mente on, claramente. Mhm.
Okay, and what about the adjectives that finish with e? So if I say inteligente and I want to say intelligently.
Okay. Nothing changes. You stick mente on the end. Yes.
Exactly.
So it's inteligentemente.
Exactly, because we can't change the ones that have e.
Yeah.
Muy
Okay.
bien.
So it's only if it's an O-A flip that you make it into feminine.
And what if I have 2 or 3 adjectives? Sorry, adverbs.
Okay. And that's
In one
where
sentence.
things become a little different, because it's only the last adverb. If you're doing a string of them, let's say you put 2 together, it's only the last one that has mente on the end. The one before it is just the normal word as feminine. So we've got some examples here, haven't
Sí.
we? Of
So I've got
okay,
quickly and correctly.
quickly and correctly. So quick is rápido, and
Correct.
correcto. Okay, so we're going to change those into adverbs. So how does that go?
So in Spanish we would say quick and correctly.
Hmm.
So that would be rápida y correctamente.
Okay, so did you notice rápida? So that one's converted to feminine, and the second one has too, correctamente. Yeah. So both of them are feminine, but the last one always has the mente on. So I suppose you could string 10 of them together, but you wouldn't want to, because that would just sound weird. Okay, it would, wouldn't it? But normally you can put 2 together, can't you? Yeah.
Now we've got the dog.
Obviously,
Barking.
they're all taking turns, all the animals. Okay, Cynthia, well, what
Sorry.
about something like this one? The man speaks strongly and bluntly.
Okay, so we need to know the word strong. The word strong is fuerte,
Hmm.
and then blunt is contundente. Okay, so el hombre habla fuerte, because we can't change that one, so it stays as like that. El hombre habla fuerte y contundentemente.
What a word. Contundentemente.
Contundentemente.
I know a few people like that.
A funny one, for example, the word slowly,
Yeah.
because we've got lento, and lento is fine because we can make it into lentamente.
Hmm.
But what about despacio?
I've never heard that despaciamente.
You can't. Despacio doesn't
it stays
have
the same.
Despacio.
Which is an example of that in English is when we say well, that's an adverb, well, and we can't say welly. You did that welly. We have to say you did that well. And that's the same with despacio. Sí, despacio, yeah. However, be aware that you will hear lots of Spanish people saying, for example, el hombre conduce rápido.
Oh, sí.
Okay, and not rápidamente.
Sí.
Grammatically, it should be rápidamente,
Sí.
but many people skip the mente and just, I suppose, very much like the US.
Yeah, o comes muy lento.
Comes muy lento instead of
comes muy lentamente.
lentamente.
Sí.
Okay,
Muy
so
bien.
esos son los adverbios.
Estos
They're
son
the
los
adverbs, okay? They are used. You need to know them. You can't skip them. So all the information and a lot more and a few little tests will be in the help
Yes,
sheets.
because we missed how to avoid them.
Oh yeah. Oh, and we'll show you a way of avoiding them in the help sheets. And also, please, if you enjoy our videos and the help that we offer you, please would you go to our Facebook page and like it. And it's easy to find. It's facebook.com/lightspeed.spanish. Okay, so lightspeed.spanish. That's all you have to look for in Facebook, and just like our page, and we'd be very grateful.
Gracias.
Okay, entonces nos vamos.
Y nos vemos.
Hasta luego.
Adiós.
Adiós.